long ago.
He was big and strong, in his eyes a flaming glow.
Most people look at him with terror and with fear, but to Moscow chicks he was such a lovely dear. He could preach a baby like a preacher, full of ecstasy and fire.
But he also was the kind of teacher women would desire.
Run, Rasputin, lover of the Russian queen. There was a cat that really was gone.
Run, Rasputin, Russia's greatest love machine. It was a shame how he carried on. Bahama, Bahama mama, got the biggest house in town. Bahama mama, Bahama, Bahama mama, but the trouble's getting down. Bahama mama.
She has 6 dollars